In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks.com. Now, if you go to their website and withdrawals, they have a Q&A here, how to withdraw it. It says to request a withdrawal, navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app. If you're accessing your account on a browser, the menu is in the top right corner. From here, you can select request withdrawal. Then you should get a password on your email that you have connected, and you just need to basically do as it says right here. And then here it explains why if your withdrawal failed, and that's because they have some rules that of course you need to play through your deposit money, like you need to on many different betting websites. So simply go here, you can see this is how it's done.